An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Now, what do we mean by ribs of the umbrella? First of all, let us see this. We all have seen umbrella, right? What is this called? This is called rib. This is called rib. Yes, children? Okay. And can you see that ribs are equally spaced? क्या इनके बीच का gap same है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Now tell me one thing. They are asking us to find the area between two consecutive ribs. So if I take 1 and 2 to be this, इन दो ribs के बीच का जो area है, what is that shape?
Sector.
Sector. So in this case, it is not sector, but they are asking us to assume it to be a flat circle. So if we assume it to be a flat circle, it will be a consecutive ribs के बीच में it's the area of a sector. But now, as we know, to find area of the sector, we should be knowing angle of the sector, जो हमारे पास given नहीं है, which we are not given. So for that matter, we will find out how many sectors are there actually. ठीक है? You can see there is a cartoon made over there. So this cartoon I will count 1. Let's see. So अच्छा पहले ribs count कर लेते हैं. 1, 2. This is my first rib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I am finding it difficult to hold and count. See, beta. This I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 ribs are there. Let's see how many sectors are being formed by 8 ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we found 8 ribs are making exactly 8 sectors. And all are equal. Yes, because we are given in the question that ribs are equally spaced. What is the meaning of equally spaced? That means the 2 ribs are at the same distance as the next 2 ribs. All the 2 ribs are at the same distance. So when the distance between them is same, obviously the area will also be same. Now look for one thing. Suppose you have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines divide the thing into 3 parts. You can take example of your classroom where 4 rows are there of benches and in between space kitna hota hai? Only 3. But if you are going to make 4 marks in a circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, the parts will also be 4. Because being circular, the last one will combine over there. Hai na? Getting my point? So 8 ribs means 8 equal parts. So area between two consecutive ribs will be area of circle divided by 8. Area of circle divided by 8. So you just have to take radius. So let radius 45 centimeter. Then area between two consecutive ribs is equal to area of sector, and then you will write this is equal to area of circle divided by 8. In the bracket you may write down because 8 ribs divide the circle into 8 equal parts. This is the reason we have to put. Clear? Now, area of circle is pi r square. Beta r is not a multiple of 7. So it will be better if we take pi as 3.14 into 45 into 45 divided by 8 centimeter square. Now my suggestion to you would be you divide this 45 by 8 completely. Let it be in decimal. And then you multiply the remaining. For example, if we divide 8 and 45, 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, 5 is remainder, 5 0 50. So 8 6 are 48, 2 is remainder, 2 0 20, 8 2s are 16, and then now you multiply these three numbers for your convenience. Clear? Please do it. Please do it. Devanshu. Devanshu, please stop